North Street, Kingston, Jamaica. Another mass shooting recorded as 3 has been shot, 2 fatal. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. As authorities in North Street are investigating another mass shooting in Kingston, Jamaica. Reports are men were walking along North Street when they were pounced upon by unknown assailants who opened gunfire and hitting both victims. And victims were taken to the hospital, which they were pronounced dead. The assailants reportedly fled the location. Police have identified the deceased as Michael Anthony Mitchell, a 23-year-old resident of Blunt Street, and Donald Walters Jr., a 21-year-old of Dumfries Street, Kingston 14. Ladies and gentlemen, another set of young people taken out by armed thugs. Reports are that Tuesday evening, these young men were walking down the street, and apparently they have some opposition in life. I don't know what's going on, ladies and gentlemen, but what's going on in my island is not right. It appeared there more gunfights against the people them in Jamaica than going on over in the Middle East. Where are the human rights advocates? Where are the death penalties that should be issued out by the government? I tell you over and over, like Chronic say, a government invent crime because there's no way that this perpetuation of violence should continue to be on these young people's mind. And the government have a death penalty to try to detour them or try to sway the violence, because we know everywhere we go there will be adversaries and violence, but it appeared that the gun has become the tool of choice for our young youths, as the music and the media and the culture promote and reward those who promote the violence amongst our children. And we turn a blind eye, and the poison spread day to day. And as it engulfs neighborhoods and community worldwide, especially in the low-income melanated diaspora that they call black people, it's a shame that on the week that we choose to celebrate our national heroes, we have multiple mass shooting and killing of each other. These are not European dealing the fatal blow to the melanated people. These are the melanated people who have turned into a case study, an excellent experiment that has yielded result of the colonialistic lynching mind. And we have turned to become our own Willie Lynch. We have no shame. We have no standards. Our morals have gone to the dog. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. It's a shame that every other day you hear killings, and every other week you hear now mass shooting and killing in the beautiful island of Jamaica. There's nothing wrong with Jamaica. It's the people, including the government and the mindset of a depraved nation. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what we can do to make Jamaica safe again. And I told Andrew Holness the solution, you have to put them down. Because if you're acting like you're an animal, you have to deal with them like an animal. Unfortunately, the police have to become judge and juror in the street. Thus, it paints the police as the wicked brute and take the spotlight off the criminal. That's the truth. You tune in to Deep Roots TV and you're listening to Rastafari Soldier. If you want to hear the truth, subscribe, follow, leave your comment, on Deep Roots TV. I'm more life, I'm more joy, I'm more nappiness. Ladies and gentlemen, you stay blessed.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them just like look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rastaman and a real fire key. Whoa, fire key, Rastafari soldier real fire key. Yeah, bang bang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We are every time.